Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream to YouTube on your PlayStation 5, and this is very easy to do. First thing we need to do is link YouTube to our PlayStation, so let's go to Settings, going down to Users and Accounts, then go to Link Services and go to YouTube, and then go to where it says Link and sign in with your email address and password. Right here, you can use the internet browser if you want to do that too. And once you're linked, you have to go to a game and then start it up. So like here's Astrobot. We can start this up. Once we have a game opened up, we can press the sharing button on our controller and it'll open up the screen. And we can go to where it says broadcast. Otherwise, if we press the PlayStation button, there's an option to broadcast from here as well. If we don't see it, press options and you can drag it from the hidden controls to the top. Now go to broadcast and you should be able to change service and go to YouTube right here if you have it linked. And it'll be the same thing as Twitch. So you'll have to enter in your title for the stream of whatever it is. And you can use your voice too to type it in. And then once you have your title, just go ahead and put it in there. Then we have broadcast options. We have the display camera, display chat, display activity, and then the overlay position if you want to include your party audio, and then the video quality for the stream as well. So I got mine at 1080p at 60 frames per second. If you have really poor internet, you might want to drop this down if you're lagging or something like that. Then go live right here in the center of the screen. And it's going to show you how many people are watching, and then the comments will show up too. So if you got the camera, you can move the camera around as well. And then you can go back to broadcast at any point, and then you can pause the broadcast, or you can completely stop it. So let's go to stop right now and go to yes. So very easy to live stream on your PlayStation 5. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.